Welcome to this short video on one of the 50 myCAD tools available, MarkFoldLines. MarkFoldLines enables you to automatically create mark cutouts at the end of the fold lines for each sheet metal body found in a SOLIDWORKS part file. The first automatic processing method automatically detects if the part has at least one sheet metal body. A mark will be applied to each fold. A list of marking shapes is offered by default: triangle, circle, etc. But it is possible to select another shape you have created. Quite simply, this is a part file with a sketch comprising just a sketch block. For collinear fold lines, it is possible to choose whether the marks should be made at each end or just at the outer ends. Material is removed on each mark, but it is possible to request just the position of the sketch without removal of the material. After the MarkFoldLine tool is applied, the function is created in the part construction tree. The second method involves selecting only the fold lines on which the marking will be applied. If several sheet metal bodies are detected and the method selected is automatic processing, the MarkFoldLine tool will process the folds for all sheet metal bodies. A function will be created for each sheet metal body detected. If you would like to know what other tools are available, please watch our other videos or use the local help.
We'd like to take a few moments to tell you about our company. Innova Systems are a UK-based authorised reseller for SOLIDWORKS 3D CAD software. We provide the highest quality technical support and training courses to over 1,000 of our customers. Buying from us doesn't just mean a box of software, you also get the backup of our multi-award-winning technical support team. Innova have been voted #1 for customer satisfaction for the last 4 years running. We are a company driven by the continued success of our customers. If you're interested in knowing more about SOLIDWORKS or the services we provide, please get in contact with us.